We got here a 2007 Audi A4 2.0 turbo with the run diagnostic from the AC compressor. So I got here my channel A. Channel A. I got I connect the line blue and red. I got duty cycle from the maxi scope channel A. So the credit to go to Mr. Mario Diagnostic. He say good duty cycle need to be 0 to 12. So that's exactly what I have here. 0 to 12 duty cycle. And I got here on the scan tool. I say 5 bars is about 88 psi, and the compressor working 67%. That's the duty cycle, but the AC compressor is not working. So the diagnostic is we got a bad AC compressor. I already checked the high pressure switch, and that is working all right.